guys, welcome back to our channel SE Solution. So in today's video I will tell you how you can check the image guidelines on Flipkart while uploading your listings. So the home page is already open, then you have to click on listing and the listing management page is open. Then you have to click on add new listings, and here two type of listings are showing, single listings and bulk listing. So I am clicking on single listing. Then from the verticals you can choose the category. So I am choosing leather and travel products. And then here you have to select the brand and you have to enter the brand name. And then you have to check your brand. And once your brand is approved, then you can click on create new listings. And here many options are showing, like product photos, price, stocks and shipping information, product descriptions, additional descriptions. Then you have to click on edit. And here you can see the image guidelines are showing, image resolution and image guidelines. And for further information you can also click on view Flipkart's image guidelines. Before uploading the photos you have to read these guidelines so that it will make it easier to upload the images. So that's all for today's video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos.